Hi everyone! Today I would like to share how I made this patched zigzag bracelet. In order to make this bracelet, we need 3 strings. First, fold all the strings in half and make 1 larkhead knot to make the loop. Make sure the loop is big enough, ideally the size of the tip of your little finger. Attach that loop firmly onto the working surface. Separate one color 1 string on the right side. Use that string and make 1 backward-forward knot onto the other 5 strings. Now take the other color 1 string and make 1 backward-forward knot onto the other 4 strings. Do the same thing with color 2 strings. For the color 3 strings, just make 1 backward-forward knot. Take the rightmost color 1 string, which is pink here, and make 5 double backward knots. Leave the string you just used on the left side. Take the other pink string and make 4 double backward knots. Take the first color 2 string, which is yellow here, and make 3 double backward knots. Now take the other yellow string and make 2 double backward knots. Take the right blue string and make 1 double backward knot. You just finished the first triangle. Now take the rightmost blue string and make 5 double backward knots. The first knot should create a sharp corner. Now take the blue string on the right and make 4 double backward knots. Now take the yellow string on the right and make 3 double backward knots. Take the second yellow string and make 2 double backward knots. Make 1 double back knot with the pink strings to finish this triangle. Now take the leftmost blue string and make 5 double forward knots. Now take the second blue string and make 4 double forward knots. Now take the left yellow string and make 3 double forward knots. Take the other yellow string and make 2 double forward knots. Take the left pink string and make the last double forward knots. To make the fourth triangle, take the left pink string and make 5 double forward knots. Now take the other pink string and make 4 double forward knots. Now take the left yellow string and make 3 double forward knots. Take the other yellow string and make 2 double forward knots. Make the last double forward knot with the 2 blue strings. You just completed 1 full unit. Repeat these steps until you reach the last small triangle. Here we are at the 4th unit at the 4th triangle. For this last small triangle, we do a little differently. Make 4 double forward knots first, as we have been doing. For the 5th knot only, make 1 forward backward knot instead of double forward knot. For the 2nd row, make 3 double forward knots first. For the fourth knot, make one forward-backward knot onto two of the strings. For the third row, make two double forward knots first. Then make one forward-backward knot onto the last three strings. For the fourth row, make one double forward knot first. Then make one forward-backward knot onto the remaining four strings. To finish this, use the last string and make one forward-backward knot onto the other five strings. Now divide these 6 strings into each color. Make one 3-strand braids for about 11 centimeters or 4.5 inches. Finish the braid with one overhand knot. Cut the excessive string and you're done. Here is how you make this bracelet adjustable. Pass the tail inside the initial loop and then pass it inside the bracelet. Hold the tail and then pull the bracelet slowly through the loop all the way. You can wear it. The front side or even the back side looks very cool. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon.